name is Jamie. Jonah's going to picture me to do the ice bucket challenge, and he's going to help sick people to feel better.
Who do you choose?
He chose me to do the ice bucket challenge.
Who else?
And
Say it really loud. Who do you choose?
Mimi,
Auntie Mimi?
Auntie Mimi and Auntie Mimi.
Okay, you ready?
So we do the ice bucket challenge. Does it get my hair?
Okay, no, you stand right there. You're ready. Are you ready? Look at me, look at me.
Look at mommy.
Ready? Ready? Okay.
Go to mommy.
No, Dylan can stand next to her. Good job.